when all the blood clot guys them start to roll you. If to say I be you, how I for you.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kaya and I'm back with another video. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Kaya. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on my other videos. So today I'm going to be talking about how to build your channel as a beginner. Basically, you know, how to gain more subscribers, how to get better at editing, how to not get demonetized when you get up there. So basically, I'm going to show you some of my tips and hopefully, you learn from it. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first one on the list is basically, do not have your intro music longer than 8 seconds. Because if you have it longer than 8 seconds, you can get demonetized because you did not buy them. That is not your song, basically. And when you copyright other music, like, YouTube can either take it down or you won't get paid for that video. So yeah, the second thing on the list is basically when you're editing. I edit on iMovie, so I know a lot of people like me, that's a beginner, they edit on iMovie as well, because I don't record on the camera, I record on my phone. So basically, one thing I learned is that after you finish editing on iMovie, save the whole thing, your whole video, to your camera roll, then upload it to YouTube, but upload it on private. Before you upload it on public, upload it on private, so then you could get those high quality edits like everybody else does. That's a hack I learned, because when you upload it on private, you could still go back, tweak some stuff, add some stuff in, and it's better than iMovie. Listen, y'all, I'm about to hook y'all up. Y'all better pay attention. Number 3 on the list is that I found a channel on YouTube that has free copyrighted music. So basically, the description will be down below in this video, and it's called No Copyright Music. You can use any type of music you want from that channel and put it on your channel, and you won't be copyrighted. You won't be copyrighted at all. Basically, one thing about YouTube is that she's sensitive of what you say, of how you say stuff, what type of music you play, what type of topics you talk about. Like, YouTube is very sensitive. I don't know what y'all did to her, but she's very sensitive. But number 4 on the list is that a lot of people may not know this. To actually get paid, you must have, and listen closely for this one, for all my beginners and all my, people that want to start YouTube, you must have 1,000 subscribers, at least 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch time. 4,000 watch time. That, what I just said, is very important, because so much people could have like 40 subscribers and they have a lot of views. It also matters of how much subscribers you have and how much people view your stuff. Because if you have 1,000 subscribers and you only have 100 watch time, you will not get paid. It doesn't matter how much subscribers you have. If your views is not there, you will not get paid. Another thing what I realized about YouTube is that a lot of YouTubers that's up there don't tell you this, but sub for sub does not work, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because a lot of people feel like when you just subscribe, you just get that subscription, but they don't actually watch your videos. When they actually watch your videos, that's something different. But sub for sub does not work, simply because people could say sub for sub, I subscribe to their channel, they subscribe to mine. I watch their video, they do not watch or like my video, and I won't get that view. Like, if you just press on somebody's YouTube, you will not get that view. You have to watch their video for at least 40 seconds in order to get that view. Because what YouTube is doing now, because it has so much rules, people are reporting a sub for sub as a spam. So basically, that's why a lot of people, like on Facebook, that do sub for sub, they would get like 400 subscribers overnight, and then when they look back, they back down to 50. So it's like sub for sub does not work. You have to be very careful of what you say, simply because like religion, genders, like if you say something insulting, like just your own strong opinion, if you say something insulting, it's a problem. It's a problem. And that's going to be a bigger problem for you, because you will not get paid for that video, and you will also, YouTube could also take down your video. I didn't know that, but YouTube could also take down your video if it's too inappropriate. Another thing to grow your channel, do a lot of public interviews, like do a lot of interesting story times, because nobody's gonna want to look at the time you lost your V and it was boring. Like, everybody wants to see exciting stuff, like see what the people like, interact with your audience, because even though it may just look like, oh, you're just talking into a camera, no, I'm talking to you
guys. Like, what are you guys doing? Like, how y'all been? How's
quarantine treating y'all? Y'all getting thick, or y'all losing weight? Like, you have to entertain your audience, get to know them. When they comment, make sure you answer those comments, because your audience will be like, your subscribers will be like, wow, like, we can interact with each other. That's why I always put my social media down below, because, like, if you want to get to know me, you can. I'm a very friendly person. Yeah, so get to know your audience. I don't even know what number I'm on. But yeah, get to know your audience, speak to them, ask questions in your videos. Another way how to grow your channel, and I'm just now learning this, basically what you have to do at the end of your video, put like, what is it called? It's called pin cards. So yeah, so pin cards is where at the end of your video, you could put your other videos so people could click it. That's how you also get some more subscribers and some more views. If you like this video and want to see my how to grow your channel part 2 coming up real soon, don't forget to put your notifications on for this video. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also put notifications down. I hope you really liked this video and I really helped. Bye guys, thanks for watching.